It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I have a new listing here in Madison Heights I think you're really going to enjoy. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 29067 Milton Avenue in Madison Heights, where everything has already been done for you. This beautifully remodeled 1,100 square foot brick ranch bungalow was completely updated in 2025. Step inside to an open concept floor plan that's perfect for entertaining family and friends. The stunning kitchen features quartz countertops, brand new appliances, and a modern design you'll love. Throughout the home, you'll find premium bamboo flooring, recessed lighting, and brand new windows that fill every room with natural light. And the updates don't stop there. This home also offers brand new heating and cooling, plus insulation in both the walls and attic for year-round comfort. If you're looking for a stylish turnkey home in Madison Heights, this one deserves a spot at the top of your list. Schedule your private showing today.
Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing here in Madison Heights. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.